name is Dora. I'm a format expert, and this video is to show you how to add link sets to a custom page. In order to get started, you will first need to go to the Pages editor, which is located here in the left side toolbar. You can tap the Create button and add a custom page, which is the only type of page you can add link sets to. Give your custom page a title, then tap the Add Custom Page button. Once within the custom page editor, you will see two options popping up. One option is to use a custom page template, and the other one is to start from scratch by adding sections. For link sets, you will need to click the Add Section button over here, then go to the Images tab over here, and if you scroll down the page, you will see a number of options for adding link sets depending on the type of styling and your design vision. You can tap the Add Section button to add a link set to your custom page. Once within the editor, you can tap the Add Link button over here to add a section where you can add an image. And in this pop-up window, you can upload images from your device, import them from Dropbox, or import them from already existing format pages. I will import mine from an already existing page. I will tap on a page, then select an image, and that image will be one image of my link set. You can give this image a title, then click on Link to link this image to another page. You will see this pop-up window appearing once you click the Link to button, where you have three different options to link your images to. You can link it to an external website, and I recommend once you link it to an external website for you to also select the Opening a New Window option over here, for you not to navigate away from your site when you click on the image. You can also link it to your email address or to another format page. I will link mine to an already existing format page. Once you tap the Create button, the link will apply to the link set. You can tap Add Link to add multiple image links. And from the Display As option over here, you can tap the drop-down and select the different type of display that you want your link set to have. You can also tap the Preview button to preview what this page looks like on your live site. Do remember to always save changes to make sure that the changes you've applied to your custom page will remain on the live site as well. I hope this has been helpful to you. If you have any other questions, please do feel free to reach out to us via chat. The chat icon is located here in the lower right-hand side corner of your screen, or via email at info@format.com, and we'd be happy to help.